To get started, press and hold the power button to turn on the device. And make sure there is gas connected to the docking station. Press and hold the power button on the docking station. Then insert the device face down, making sure it clicks into place. The calibration process will start automatically. Green lights will build up on the docking station. If successful, the Calibrate button will illuminate green. Remove the device from the docking station by pressing down on the two black clips. The device will show the docking test results on its screen.